Good evening, student. In this video, we are discussing the Histel funnel experiment, in which we will see the process of osmosis under pressure. In case of Histel funnel experiment, we'll take the solution of sucrose in water inside the funnel, which will be separated from a solution of pure water kept in the beaker by a semi-permeable membrane. So here we will develop a system in which we are taking a beaker inside the beaker. We are putting pure water as solvent, in this pure water solution we are putting a funnel and inside the funnel we are putting a sucrose solution in water. So this is a sucrose solution in water inside the funnel, and this funnel is separated from the pure water with the help of a semi-permeable membrane. So here we are using a semi-permeable membrane. This is a semi-permeable membrane which is separating this pure water from a sucrose solution in water. So this is a sucrose solution in water. This is pure water. And this is a semi-permeable membrane. This semi-permeable membrane can be prepared by dissolving the egg shell in dilute HCl solution. So the egg, after removal of egg white and egg yolk through a hole, we have to remove the egg white and the egg yolk. Then we have to put this egg shell, empty egg shell, into dilute HCl. So this is dilute HCl. After some time the egg shell will get dissolved and you will get your semi-permeable membrane. So you can use this semi-permeable membrane on this funnel to separate a pure water from a sucrose solution. In this system we are also adding a piston to put a pressure on this system. So this is a piston which can be moved in and out, and this piston can be used to put a pressure on the system. So this is a piston. Clear? What happens in normal condition under this experimental setup? As the beaker is having the pure water as a solvent, so a pure water will have the highest number of water molecule. So a water potential that is psi W of the pure water is highest and it is 0. as we are having inside the funnel the sucrose solution. So due to the addition of sucrose, the water molecule will get engaged, and the amount of sucrose molecules will determine the water potential of this particular solution. Let's say for example कि we have added 100 molecules of sucrose inside the sucrose solution. So here the water potential, that is actually the solute potential of this solution, that is solute potential is equal to water potential is equal to minus 100 of this glucose solution. Okay, so here the water potential is 0, that is highest, and here inside the water potential is minus 100. So naturally the water molecule will go from its higher potential to its lower potential, and the water will enter inside the funnel across the semi permeable membrane. हमने ऐसा कहा कि इस हिस्टल फनेल एक्सपेरिमेंट में हमने एक फनेल ली, जिस फनेल में हमने सुक्रोज सॉल्यूशन लिया इन वाटर, और एक बीकर लिया जिस बीकर में हमने प्योर वाटर लिया. नाउ इस फनेल को और बीकर के प्योर वाटर को हमने सेपरेट किया एक सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन से, जो सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन हमने एक सेल को डिसॉल्व करके डाइल्यूट HCl में डिसॉल्व करके बनाई. नाउ अंदर जो सॉल्यूशन है सुक्रोज सॉल्यूशन, उसमें सुक्रोज के मॉलिक्यूल होने के कारण इस सॉल्यूशन का सॉल्यूशन पोटेंशियल यानी कि वाटर पोटेंशियल ये -100 है, क्योंकि हमने 100 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ सुक्रोज को कंसीडर किया इन द सॉल्यूशन. और बाहर का जो सॉल्वेंट है दैट इज प्योर वाटर, इट इज हैविंग द हाईएस्ट वाटर पोटेंशियल दैट इज 0. सो नेचुरली वाटर जो है वो अपने हायर पोटेंशियल से अपने लोअर पोटेंशियल की तरफ जाएगा. सो बाहर के साइड में वाटर पोटेंशियल 0 है दैट इज हाईएस्ट, और अंदर के साइड में वो -100 है. सो वाटर जो है वो जाएगा बाहर के साइड से अंदर की साइड की तरफ, ओके, अक्रॉस अ सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन. लेकिन अगर हमें इस वाटर की मूवमेंट को रोकना है, इफ यू वांट टू स्टॉप द मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर विच इज फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड, सो उस कंडीशन में हमें इस सिस्टम का, इस फनेल का वाटर पोटेंशियल बढ़ाना होगा. और वो कितना बढ़ाना होगा? जब अंदर के साइड का वाटर पोटेंशियल और बाहर के साइड का वाटर पोटेंशियल इक्वल हो जाएगा तो वाटर विल नॉट फ्लो फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड. सो अब हम वाटर पोटेंशियल कैसे बढ़ाएंगे? अब वाटर पोटेंशियल तो सोल्यूट पोटेंशियल के कारण निगेटिव हो गया है, तो अब वाटर पोटेंशियल बढ़ाने के लिए हमारे पास दूसरा तरीका है. इस सिस्टम का, इस फनेल सिस्टम का हम पिस्टन के माध्यम से बढ़ा सकते हैं प्रेशर. जैसे ही हम फनेल के अंदर पिस्टन को पुश करेंगे तो फनेल के इनसाइड का प्रेशर बढ़ जाएगा, और प्रेशर बढ़ने के कारण यहाँ पे वाटर पोटेंशियल भी बढ़ जाएगा. वाटर पोटेंशियल बढ़ा के कितना करना है? तो वाटर पोटेंशियल जितना बाहर है उतना करना है. सो यानी हमें ये -100 को 0 की तरफ ले जाना है. सो सोल्यूट पोटेंशियल -100 होने के कारण हमें प्रेशर जो है उसको भी -100 पास्कल को न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए 100 पास्कल का प्रेशर लगाना पड़ेगा. नाउ दिस प्रेशर व्हाट वी आर अप्लाइंग इन द फनेल सिस्टम, दिस प्रेशर इज एक्चुअली अ ऑस्मोटिक pressure which is equivalent to a solute potential that is -100. Clear? So osmotic pressure is actually equal to solute potential. This solute potential is actually equal to the water potential. So we are having solute potential is equal to water potential. The water potential is -100. So to neutralize this -100, we have to apply a +100 Pascal of pressure to this funnel system. So from this we can conclude that osmotic pressure is actually equal to water potential, but water potential is negative and osmotic pressure is positive. So from this experiment we can conclude that osmotic pressure is actually equal to water's osmotic potential, only the sign is reverse. Water's osmotic potential in the funnel is negative. So to neutralize this potential we have to apply a positive osmotic pressure. So we have to apply here a positive osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is equivalent to osmotic potential, but osmotic potential is negative and osmotic pressure is positive. This experiment signifies कि a equal amount of osmotic pressure if applied to the funnel system, then due to that pressure the potential of water molecule will get increased. Okay, and due to increased potential the water from outside not be able to move inside. But to equalize both the potential of water potential here is at present negative and outside it is positive. To equalize this pressure we have to apply the pressure. How much pressure we have to apply? The pressure is equivalent to the solute potential. जितने ज़्यादा solute होंगे उतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर हमें यहाँ से अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा to make the water potential in both the system equal. Clear for this thing? यानी इस सॉल्यूशन के अंदर जितने ज़्यादा सुक्रोज के मॉलिक्यूल होंगे उतना ही ज़्यादा हमें ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर पिस्टन का बढ़ाना पड़ेगा टू मेक द वाटर पोटेंशियल ऑफ बोथ द सिस्टम एट इक्वल. ओके, एंड देन द वाटर विल नॉट फ्लो फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड. सो इस पे कौन से टाइप के क्वेश्चन हमें आ सकते हैं? द क्वेश्चन एनसीईआरटी कैन फ्रेम ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक इज NCERT can give you two systems. Let's say for example this is system number A and this is system number B. In system A we are having suppose for 100 molecules of sucrose, and in system B we are having 1000 molecules of sucrose. So naturally the osmotic potential of system B is lower compared to osmotic potential of system A. The osmotic potential of system B is minus 1000 Pascal and the osmotic potential of system A is minus 400 Pascal. So due to the lower osmotic potential, the water potential of system A is greater compared to the water potential of system B. So psi W for system A is greater compared to psi W of system B. So the naturally water will flow from system A to system B. So if we apply pressure on system B with the help of piston, how much force we have to apply on pressure system B? So to neutralize the solute potential, here we have to apply the pressure of positive 600 Pascal. So if we apply 600 Pascal of pressure to system B, then 600 minus 1000, so here the system will have negative 400 Pascals of water potential. So by applying the pressure of positive 600 Pascal, after 600 Pascal of pressure, system A and system B both will have minus 400 of solute potential, and that will be its water potential. So after applying 600 Pascal of pressure, now system A का जो water potential है और system B का जो water potential है वो equal हो गया. Okay, इसलिए there will be no net movement between the two system. So such type of question can be designed by NCERT on this particular topic. Do remember कि the water potential is equal to its osmotic pressure. Water potential is negative and osmotic pressure is positive. Osmotic pressure is actually equivalent to solute potential because it is a pressure which will get utilized to neutralize the solute potential. Do remember these points for MCQ. This is very important topic and there are n number of questions which can get designed on this particular topic. So this is all about the Histel funnel experiment. Now in the next video we'll talk about the plasmolysis of plant cell. Thank you.